354 species in genus Huperzia. April 16th. Huperzia. Huperzia, the club moss, represents April 16th. Huperzia symbolizes endurance and strength. Like this resilient, ancient plant, you have the ability to withstand the test of time. Your quiet, steady nature enables you to overcome obstacles, and your determination is a source of inspiration to those around you. A deep dive into the fascinating world of Huperzia. My name is Huperzia, and I've always been captivated by the intricate beauty of the natural world. Lately, my interest has been piqued by the fascinating genus Huperzia, a group of plants often referred to as firmuses or fir club mosses. These ancient plants, belonging to Lycopodiaceae, the lycophyte family, are a testament to the enduring power of evolution, having survived for millions of years. Join me as we explore the unique characteristics, diversity, and ecological significance of Huperzia. Understanding the Huperzia genus. Huperzia plants are typically characterized by their upright or creeping stems, covered in small, scale-like leaves. Unlike many other plants, they reproduce through spores instead of seeds, a trait that links them to their primitive ancestors. These spores are often produced in cone-like structures known as strobili, adding another layer of visual interest to these already intriguing plants. One of the most remarkable aspects of Huperzia is its resilience. These plants can thrive in a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests to harsh alpine environments. This adaptability is a testament to their evolutionary success, allowing them to colonize diverse ecosystems across the globe. A diverse family. The Huperzia genus boasts a remarkable diversity, with hundreds of species spread across the world. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Ecological importance. Huperzia plants play a vital role in their respective ecosystems. As primary producers, they contribute to the flow of energy through the food chain. Their presence also helps to stabilize soil and prevent erosion. In addition, some Huperzia species have formed symbiotic relationships with fungi, further highlighting their ecological importance. Conservation concerns. Despite their resilience, some Huperzia species are facing threats due to habitat loss and overcollection. It is crucial that we recognize the importance of conserving these ancient plants, not only for their intrinsic value, but also for their contributions to the ecosystems they inhabit. Looking ahead, as our understanding of Huperzia continues to grow, so too does our appreciation for its complexity and beauty. These ancient plants offer a unique window into the evolutionary history of our planet, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all living things. I am eager to see what further research reveals about this fascinating genus, and I hope that we can all do our part to ensure its continued survival for generations to come.